So previously I did a video on Sloom. First of all, I've always praised these apps, Factoid. When Factoid, prior to even being a VST, I always gave it praise as a really cool app. So I want to say that out the gate. Secondly, I did not make a video to diss this particular app. I think it is a quality app that is a lot of cool features if you are into slowing stuff down and creating nice ambient pad sounds. This app is amazing. However, recently I noticed that one person, and this is my first time ever having a person put a thumbs down on a video. I'm not complaining because you put a thumbs down. I'm glad you watched it. But I think I know the person who commented in the section that probably put the thumbs down, and they're obviously a fanboy of this because they know JJ, who made the app. Listen, I enjoy it, and for those that don't know, I did talk to the dev of this app, and I expressed my concerns and disappointment that the demo version not only just not runs but only 20 minutes, which is fine, I could deal with that, but it doesn't allow me to explore the main features that make this app more interesting than what it is. Because yes, it has these different algorithms. Yes, you can stretch the sound really far. So here's an example. Let's do this way. Here's what this sounds like. Okay, so I'm gonna pull back to this section here and I'm gonna stretch it. Just a bunch now. Now this is a wide, rough, robotic, and then you have all these windows. Now, if you have the full version, you get all these extra modulations, shapings. You can draw in shapes to create interesting sound. It's a wonderful app. It's about €39. I think the app is worth having. Where I have an issue is I don't buy blind to stuff just because I like another app that somebody put out. Not all apps are apps that everyone needs. And there are apps that do similar things that stretch audio. So, yes, they don't have every algorithm. Yes, they don't stretch this much, but there are apps that can do that. So my thing is, when you take away all these other features and don't allow a person to try them, then they don't get it. Now, I can tell you this, in talking to JJ, he said he was trying to use the same platform or the same demo version style as Arturia. But what I told him was Arturia is a corporation. They're a bigger company. Anytime you're a small company and you're trying to begin something, you need to allow a little more freedom, even if it was just for 7 days, perhaps, to try the app to see if you like it. That's kind of important for all these small devs or single app building devs, however you want to term it, who create cool devices, but nobody really knows the full depth of what it is. Unless you just got money to splurge and you want to just buy the app. And by all means, support him. He's a good guy, cool cat, always responds to my emails, no issues. Have nothing against it. But when I'm buying something that already kind of does what I already have, in other words, Paul Stretch is free and it can stretch audio, I need to see the other features that help me to understand why I'm spending this money other than the stretch portion of it. So it does sound great. It works great for what it does, but I need this. So he knows that and he's aware. And the only person that would put I think to strike not like on something because you read a title. The title was that it's basically a demo, but it doesn't last but 20 minutes. So when it cuts off, I don't know how long it makes me wait before I can use it again. Because I've waited a day now since I recorded that video, maybe a day or two, and now I'm back and able to use it again. So I'm not sure what the time period is before, after it cuts off. So I will not remove that video because the video is actual and factual at the time when I recorded it. It was not a lie. It truly cuts off at 20 minutes and you don't have access to the other features, which you can see here you still don't have access to. Except for the volume, they did give you, but you don't even have access to the dry wet, which is a nice feature to have. Even the envelope, no access. So basically I'm listening to a demo of an app that I can't fully tell you anything about. So I don't dislike the app. I do like the app and I do like the dev. I just want to see the app grow and be able to promote something that people can say, oh, that's cool. But right now I can't say this is cool because I don't know, right? So that was the point of the video. Some people read into things and misinterpret things. Watch the video and ask what was the intention before you strike a dislike or make a comment in the section about something and you don't even know if I actually talked to the dev or not. You have no clue. So anyway, that's the end of this video. Enough of that rant. I'm out.